guys, good morning. So today we are in Manikaran Sahib and we are going to leave from here. We'll just pay homage to the Gurudwara Sahib and Mandir and we will leave from here. The river, Parvati river, and these are the mountains. One of these, I guess that one is Parvati river, Parvati Parvat. Temperature on the mountains are minus 16, like the places where there are some villages out there. You can see the tower, mobile tower there, and somewhere here and all there are villages. So those villages temperature is minus 16 at now, which is Sosan, and this whole area comes under Sosan. But at this moment here it is 10 degrees Celsius, really cold.
9, 8 and 9.
ಕಾರಿದು ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು 10 degrees, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you can see there are some villages over there. I'll just show you with a zoom in my back camera, and those are there and all. There might be temperatures of negative 15, negative 16 Celsius. Here for now it is 9 to 10. Location was saying 8, my weather was saying 8, dad's also was saying 8, but the car's temperature sensor was telling 10. So it's okay, it's that much precise. No, nothing will be so precise. So yeah, let me just show you the villages. This was the hotel in which we stayed, Hotel Parvati Valley, and yeah, it was cold. So these are the hot water lines. You can see this is the hot water line coming from there. This is the hot water line they use for, like here there no hotels have geysers or water heaters. Everyone uses the water heater or hot water from the Manikaran Sahib's hot springs. Fresh water will come from the hot springs to this area. You can see 2 pipes have gone to the terrace of this, you can see there. So this is the hot water, and the hot water is awesome, very boiling hot. You have to mix cold water. It's so hot. Even in this biting cold temperature, it is not getting cold, though it is coming from that far. Guys, today morning we are in Manikaran Sahib again. As it was night yesterday and dark, I could not show you anything except for the boiling water. Today let me show you the real science behind it. You can see there, this is actually the proof that this is sulfur water is because you can see the color of that water area where the water is flowing. It is all orangish. It's orangish because of the presence of sulfur in the water, and it's steaming hot. As you can see, the whole water is steaming hot. It's coming from there. All these are hot water. Water is coming here, there, and one there. You can see it is all steaming. This is Parvati river. This is ice cold water coming from the glaciers, and that is the hot water getting mixed into the cold water there. Here also it's getting mixed, but still it's hot. It's boiling hot, guys. So guys, you may not see me now. Yeah. So this is the hot cave, also the Garam Gufa. So this is very hot, though it is very cold outside. This area is hot, and you can sit here. When you sit here for a long time, you will feel relaxed. All your pain and tiredness will go and you feel refreshed. You can see, this is it. Guys, we completed Garam Gufa and we are back to the Shivji Ka Mandir. Today the steam is much more than yesterday because the cold is also more than yesterday. You can see the steam. You can see the steam, guys, from the hot water springs. You can't see anything. You can't see me also at times. There is strong smell of sulfur in it, because this is sulfur hot water only, and here it is more steamy because the boiling water will come from there, goes into the cold water, And as you know, when you put ice into boiling hot water, steam will come more. That is the reason it's steaming more here, because the hot water and cold water gets mixed here. And even the temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. At night it went above below zero also, so it's very cold. Steam here is less and more also. I'll show you everything, guys. So guys, this is one of the hot spring near the temple. That is the Shivjika Mandir. This is one hot spring. You can see it is boiling and steaming. The temperature here is now near almost 8 to 10 degrees. Still you can see this is boiling hot. There is one more there also, where the guys are standing. Here they'll give you some rice and chana. The rice you have to take home and use it with your normal daily usage. You have to just mix it with your normal rice. They'll give basmati rice. That's prasad. And one more is chana. That chana you have to keep and boil it in this pond or this pond, and you have to take it home. So if you're coming from very far away places, you can just boil it for a minute or two and dry it very nicely so that it will not spoil. And if you are close enough, you can fully boil it and consume it completely. We did the first option, that we boiled it a bit, and we are planning to take it home for to give it to our relatives and all. So we did that work yesterday night only, as you saw it in the last vlog. And today now we sat in the Garam Gufa for another half an hour like yesterday. I did not shoot that yesterday because I just wanted to relax. Even today I sat for almost half an hour and I did not shoot anything after that video what I put here. So now we are planning to take the steam for some time and then we'll continue. You can see the way of steam is coming, how it is. You can't see me also now, right? You can see there is orangish hue there. That is because of the sulfur only. But this has the smell of sulfur also. But it's very good for health, and they say this is God's miracle. From thousands of years, sulfur is there is a supply of sulfur. How is it possible, guys? That is all God's miracle only. Scientifically, you can say that this is sulfur water, and that is why your wounds and pain is going and you are feeling refreshed. But that much sulfur should come now first. You can see it's boiling. This is the other one. You can see this is also boiling and steaming. This is the thing written here. This is the thing written. I'll just drop a picture of this thing to for you guys to read, so you can pause and read. So guys, we are now taking the steam. This is all the rice, because this is the one which will go for the Shivji and the other gods. They are boiling rice here only for the langar also. And you can take bath that side. You can't touch this water as this is boiling hot. The water there down is also warm, and inside here is also cold, where we took bath yesterday. It's just awesome. So guys, we have arrived Tosh. Cold. It's very cold here. You can see snow there. Oh, sorry, my front camera will not capture it. I'll show it in the back camera. Even there, backside. Oh, my uncle is calling. I'll just get back to you guys. So guys, snow-capped mountains, and this is all Parvati River. This area is known as Parvati Valley only. You can see snow there also. These are all snow-capped mountains, and there is a bit of snow. Actually, these were also covered with snow. This whole area will be covered with snow, but now because of sunlight and it's not winter now, so it's a bit warmer. So you saw Mongolian. So okay, this is actually a bit warm here, like not that cold, though it's cold for us. But because of that, there is no much Yeah, so where was I? Huh. So this is Tosh village. Uh, we are now here at a Mongolian dhaba just to have a breakfast. Um, it's all snow-capped mountains, but in December, January, February there will be a lot of snow here. But now because of sun and it's actually not winter here. Winter has been ended already. So you can see the mountains there have some snow. Rest there is no snow here. There are mountains at the level of the snow only, but they also don't have snow. Na heda ito. So veg. So yeah, it's cold, very cold here. My hands are going numb. I'm having my jacket so that I'm not going to freeze. It's fun and nice. It's an hour of journey from Manikaran. So the road is really bad. It's not too far, but because of the road you have to come very slow. You come by walk or you come by car, you will take the same time. So yeah, there is a dam also which is literally empty now. I'll just drop some videos of that if it has come good, because I'm sitting at the last seat. So I don't know if the video has come good, because everyone have taken the videos. I did not take any video there. So if it has come nicely, I'm going to drop it in the vlog. See that bike there? Guys, there is one bike dumped into the river. You can see that is a bike dumped into a river. This is all snow-capped mountains. There you can see everything. There are some, see there you can see that is also snow-capped. But the same way, this side it is not snow-capped. Not all the mountains are snow-capped, but some of the mountains are snow-capped. You can see. Let me show you. See there. That is a mountain which is attached to the next mountain only, but still this doesn't have any snow. That has some snow. It is later here because all the snow is melting. That is not melting because it is more colder up there. It is higher than this already, and when that freezing cold air hits the snow, it doesn't allow the snow to melt. So the snow melts and refreezes, which becomes ice. So ice is much harder than snow, you know. That is just because the snow will settle down as the snow is fluffy and soft. It will melt and it will just settle down a bit, and it will again freeze because of the freezing cold air. So it will convert into ice. So whenever there is you have to you should not play in ice. Golu Zarnil Golu bhaiya anta heli. So whenever you are playing, don't play in ice because it's very hard, and it's very slippery also. But snow on the other hand is very soft. You can enjoy. So yep, we may get snow in Kulu or Manali. I guess in Manali or Shimla we'll get snow. I hope we'll get, guys. So after visiting this and having some photos here, I brought my camera also. So we will be taking some photos here, and I'll do some photography also. If you want the photographies and you want to see it, I'll be posting it in my Instagram also, and in our photography Instagram page too. So stay tuned. I will drop both the links in the description, guys. Yo guys, yeah. So we finished our breakfast, ate, awesome, and now we are just taking a bunch of photos, and we'll be leaving any moment now. Yeah. So guys, so we finished everything. We are now about to take 1 to 2 photos here. Like we came from all the way there, backside. Now we are here, and we are planning to take some photos because the scenery here is awesome. Let me just show you the scenery. 360-degree view I'm going to show you guys, don't worry. And there are so many snow-capped mountains and very good scenery, and valley also with the river flowing. There is trekking also available here. You can stay in the camps above the mountain hills. So that's gonna be awesome and a good experience. But we did not opt for that because we are running short of time. We have to complete Manali and Shimla also. You can see the snow-capped mountains there. Mesmerizing views. Guys, our car is going front. We are also going there now. Yeah, for that I have to sit front. So, it's very nice here. But the roads, oh my god. Let me just show you the full travel. I guess this vlog is gonna be a bit longer. No worries, it's worth. Just see the roads how we are coming and going, guys. It's really awesome. I'll just show you. It's very dangerous and nice also. It's fun. It's a kind of adventure. You can see this is our car, Krishna. Our luggage is on the top. It's tight and safe. No worries. So yeah, we'll be leaving now. We are here in a restaurant to have lunch. I know it's too late for lunch, it's 4 o'clock now. Still, we were a bit late while coming to Kulu. So now we are in Kulu and we'll have our lunch here and proceed to Manali. There is a river here. I guess this is. I'll check the map and tell you which river it is. Don't worry. The river is awesome. The view here is awesome. This is an outdoor restaurant. Guys, you can see this is Bias River. There are so many trucks parked at the other bank of the river. That is the road from which we came. You can see vehicles are coming. There were some electric buses outside. You can see those blue and green one. You can read it. It is written there 100% electric. So this is the ambience of the hotel. The hotel is just awesome. Dad and Golu uncle is having some deep discussions. No worries, we will not disturb them. You can see the mountains out there. Here also landscape mountains, Bias River, and trucks parked at side. Yo guys, so we are now in our room. We are settling in. We took this some named as Paramount Inn in Manali. Got it in a good price. No worries. We just settled down now and we are going to. I'll just give you a quick room tour, guys. Let me start from the balcony. So guys, you can see this is the balcony. There is lawn also if you want to sit. And however, we are staying for 3 days, so we can stay here. We can use the balcony, utilize it. This is also their building only, but I guess those are staff quarters or something. There is no good hotel in the rooms in that, and that is their old property, I guess, because it is having the same name, Hotel New Paramount, but that property looks old and this looks way new, so I guess this is the newer one. And this is the balcony, spacious with 2 chairs here. There are royal sofas here where you can sit and have anything. Room service. What I love is a round bed. This is just awesome, guys. And you can see it's completely wooden ceiling and the shower has a blur glass. I guess it was transparent before, they have done it blur. So yeah, and this is the bathroom, guys. You can see here it's clean and nice, no worries. So yeah, it's good, no worries. You can see this, you can open this and drop it down also. Shower supplies are all given. Toiletries, no need to worry about that. It's spacious, rest everything is awesome. Ceiling work, guys. The ceiling work is just awesome, guys. You can see. Yo guys, we are ready, all set. Huh? So yeah, uncle's phone is proper finally. We just finished. I just took bath real quickly, and mom did just got freshen up, and we are leaving to the market now. So we will be just roaming around and purchasing some small souvenirs. If I like something, I'm also going to eat something. I guess you can see me very dark now. Oh yeah, you can see me now. I'll try to take it from back camera. Yeah guys. So we'll be eating something and moving. This hotel which we did, the Paramount View, it's a 2-star hotel. You can stay in it anytime, anywhere you want. It's available on OYO also, and if you want, you can come and book it. Yes guys, we were in the market. We just found one juice shop. I took an Oreo milkshake. I'm going to enjoy it. Cheers. So that's it for today, guys. Let us meet on another day in another vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.